Hello, welcome. Mickey Art, you know me. As I promised in the live video yesterday, I have made digital prints of our paintings. Whoop whoop. And what I have done is I've actually made 3, and I'm making them all free as a celebration for 50,000 subscribers. Super grateful for you all, especially those of you that come to play with me. Like, check it out. How much fun did we have creating these? Which way would you hang that one? I know some of you saw it as a howling wolf that way, and we had a giraffe that way. And Doug even came up with that this one looked like a woman with buffy hair and dark sunglasses. What else is possible? I've done this one, because it's a circle, I've done it with both a black background and a white background. And you can go in and have a look at them a bit more closely. But I just wanted to show you what they look like printed. Yay! They do print on both A4 and letter size. They probably would print bigger but you know, it's a digital print, so the bigger it gets printed, the more it's gonna pixelate and get fuzzy. So, if you remember on the live stream, I talked about I had wanted to do a comment picker and give away I didn't bring it with me. I'm shocking. A travel mug, one of my travel mugs, which I have available for sale, and you can find that in my shop as well. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this video because the comment picker doesn't work on a live video. I need to find a different one. So I'm doing this video, and if you comment on this video, just say thank you, or wow, they look cool, or you're an idiot, Michelle, whatever you want to say. I don't really have a point of view. Next time we go live, I'm going to be doing the comment picker on this video to give away that mug, and I'll get it made and sent to you. So if you would like to download these, head on over. I'm going to have to flip this, I've just realised, because it's showing mirror image. So head on over to my website, mickeyart.co.nz/digital, and you'll be able to purchase them for free, download them, do what you like with them. Well, not quite do what you like. These are not to be used for anything commercial. If you do want a commercial license for them, please contact me. We can do a deal. So there you go. Go get your free digital downloads. Comment in the description below to go in the drawer for that travel mug, and I will put a picture here of what that looks like. See if you actually want it. And yeah, come play with me next weekend, and we will have some fun and some frivolities and just make being in lockdown just that little bit more ease. So thank you all for joining me in creating these paintings. What else is possible? How much more fun can we have? I adore you all. Stay safe, be you, and change the world.